In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 12 mini to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to conveniently connect and use your iPhone 12 mini connected to a Smart TV. You will be able to set it up and connect it to most models. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it if your TV supports AirPlay. AirPlay is a technology that allows you to wirelessly connect your iPhone to any other device, including, of course, your TV. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings on your smart TV, and usually you will be able to find AirPlay under External Device Manager. This is going to depend for every single TV model, so look for the option inside of your own TV. It's either going to be under the available devices or something related to Apple AirPlay. When you choose that option, you just have to enable AirPlay. You can also choose the option to require a code and change other settings about AirPlay. Once this is done and AirPlay has been successfully enabled on the Smart TV, you will be able to move on to finishing this process on your iPhone 12 mini. All that you have to do is expand all of the options of the iPhone, so on the control center, and you will be able to tap on the screen mirroring option. You might also find something related to Apple Play. When you choose the screen mirroring option, you will be able to see the compatible TVs on the list, and you just have to choose yours. Immediately upon selecting the Smart TV where you enabled AirPlay, you will be able to connect it wirelessly. So now your screen is going to be mirrored over, and you will be able to use it there. You will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the TV as well, and primarily you will see the actual image of your screen being mirrored. So it's as simple as enabling AirPlay and connecting it. If it doesn't feature AirPlay, then sadly there are no other easy methods. You might be able to do this with a certain cable, so lightning to something like USB, and connecting it that way, but AirPlay is going to automatically set everything up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 12 mini to Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.